Want to instantly elevate your home without a full renovation? Welcome to This 1-minute trick makes any room look 10x more luxurious, where we reveal a simple, quick design hack that transforms the look and feel of any space. From living rooms to bedrooms, dining areas, and entryways, this tip works everywhere. For luxurious rugs, decor, and styling inspiration, visit rugdubai.com. 1. The power of rugs. The secret to a high-end look lies in selecting and layering the right rug. A well-chosen rug anchors your furniture, adds texture, and ties the room together. Plush, high-pile rugs exude comfort and elegance. Patterned designs introduce character, and neutral tones provide a sophisticated base. Consider material too. Wool, silk blends, or hand-knotted rugs instantly elevate the space. 2. Quick placement hack. Here's the 1-minute trick. Position your furniture so that the front legs of sofas, chairs, and tables rest on the rug. This immediately creates cohesion and defines the seating area, making the room feel larger, more organized, and luxurious. Ensure the rug is appropriately sized. It should anchor the main furniture pieces without overwhelming the room. 3. Layering with smaller rugs. For added depth, consider layering a smaller rug on top of a larger one. This technique highlights key areas, introduces visual interest, and adds texture and patterns. Layering also allows you to mix materials, colors, or patterns, creating a curated, high-end look that feels intentional and stylish. 4. Complementary accessories. Enhance the rug's impact with thoughtfully chosen accessories. Add throw pillows, blankets, vases, decorative trays, or small sculptures in matching or contrasting textures and tones. Metallic accents like gold, silver, or brass can amplify the luxurious feel, while soft fabrics and textured pieces make the space warm and inviting. 5. Lighting boost. Lighting is crucial in highlighting your 1-minute transformation. Use floor lamps, table lamps, or accent lighting to emphasize the rug and surrounding furniture. Layered lighting adds depth and mood. Soft, warm lighting enhances textures and colors, making your room feel cozy, sophisticated, and professionally styled. 6. Versatile for any room. This trick works in living rooms, bedrooms, dining rooms, home offices, and even entryways. In bedrooms, place the rug under the bed to anchor the space and create softness underfoot. In dining rooms, a rug beneath the table defines the area and adds elegance. Even in smaller spaces, a well-chosen rug can unify furniture, create zones, and elevate the overall design. 7. Seasonal and trend updates. Keep your space dynamic by rotating rugs and accessories seasonally. Swap colors, patterns, or textures to reflect current trends or personal preferences. Layering techniques ensure that the room always feels luxurious and up-to-date without requiring a full redesign. 8. Practical tips for maximum impact. Ensure rugs are placed symmetrically for visual balance. Mix textures and materials to avoid monotony. Pair rugs with complementary flooring to enhance elegance. Keep high-traffic areas in mind. Choose durable rugs that maintain their look over time. 9. Creating a cohesive theme. Use the rug as the starting point for your room's theme. Match colors, patterns, and textures across furniture, curtains, and decor. This creates a seamless, curated look that feels intentional and high-end. Transform your space in just 1 minute with the power of a perfectly placed and layered rug. It's a simple, affordable, and highly effective way to make any room look 10x more luxurious. Explore premium rugs, decor, and styling inspiration at rugdubai.com to elevate your home effortlessly and create a polished, high-end look that impresses every time.